Hello friends, welcome in Rathod classes. Today we are going to discuss the chapter Life Process in Living Organism, Unit 7. Previously we had discussed about cell division, their mitosis, types of mitosis and cell division in plant cell. Today we are going to learn about meiosis. What is meiosis? About we had discussed. What is mitosis? Also we have discussed. Meiosis is the next type of cell division. This is reduction type of cell division. Means the number of chromosomes are reduced to half. Just before I told the chromosomes from parents are get half. म्हणजे जे पॅरेंटकडून जे क्रोमोझोम्स येतात, मदर मेल पॅरेंट आणि फिमेल पॅरेंटकडून जे काही क्रोमोझोम्स येतात त्याच्या निम्मे या ठिकाणी या प्रोसेसमध्ये संख्या त्याची होत असते. द प्रोसेस ऑफ मिओसिस इज कम्प्लिटेड बाय 2 स्टेप्स दॅट आर मिओसिस 1 अँड मिओसिस 2. Meiosis 1 process is completed in a 4 stages that are prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1 and telophase 1. Here prophase 1 is said to be the delayed process, is again completed by 5 steps. Which are that 5 steps? Here meiosis 1, meiosis 2, meiosis 3, meiosis 4, meiosis 5. These are the 5 stages. This is the diagram of meiosis 1 that is given in our textbook, and here the prophase 1 is completed by 5 stages. There these are 5 stages are prophase 1, meiosis 1 and next one is the metaphase. Here prophase 1 is completed by 5 stages. This one prophase 1, prophase 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and meiosis. Next one is the metaphase. This is metaphase, and in one anaphase and telophase. Here 5 stages in a prophase. First, in this meiosis, first there is a recombination, that is crossing over between the homologous chromosomes takes place. In this meiosis 1 there is a recombination, recombine, म्हणजे परत combine होणे, and that is crossing over between the homologous chromosomes. Homologous, homo means similar or same crossing, एकाच प्रकारच्या क्रॉसिंग मध्ये होऊन क्रॉसिंग टेक्स प्लेस होतं. and this is mean that this is main and important characteristics of meiosis 1. Which one? Recombination, that is crossing over between the homologous chromosomes takes place. This is the important characteristics of meiosis 1. And homo means what? Similar or same crossing. 5 stages of prophase. This is the first stage. First stage is the lactotin. In meiosis 1, 5 phases are there, and from that 5 phases, first phase is lactotin. This stage is called lactotin, and here chromosomes start to condense, the become thick. Here the chromosomes start to condense and become thick. Next stage is a zygotin. Here homologous chromosomes start pairing. If you see here, these chromosomes are start pairing of chromosome is called as synapsis. Structure is called as synaptonemal complex. Here in zygotin, homologous chromosomes start to pairing of chromosome is called synapsis, and the structure of synapsis is called as synaptonemal complex. Here third stage is Pachetin. What is Pachetin? Here the crossing over of non-sister chromatids of homologous chromosomes takes place. Here this is the Pachetin. Here the crossing over of non-sister chromatids of homologous chromosomes takes place, and genetic recombination takes place due to exchange of genetic material. In this stage, in this Pachetin, the recombination takes place to exchange the genetic material, and the homologous chromosomes remain paired. Here homologous chromosomes remain paired together at the site of crossing over. Where the crossing takes place, at that site the homologous chromosomes are remained paired. Fourth stage is here diplotin. This stage is of a diplotin. This one. Here the structure of chromosomes looks like X shape. If you see here, the structure of chromosome looks like the X shape. If you see here, the structure of chromosome looks like a X shape. Called chiasmata. In this, the homologous chromosomes that are separated except at site of crossing over. Which chromosomes are converted into except, that are called as a chiasmata, and in this the homologous chromosomes that are separated except at site of crossing over. They accept the site where they are crossing over. Fifth one stage is dikinesis. Dikinesis is the last stage of meiosis 1. Last stage of 1. It is also called as terminating or end phase of meiosis, or it is chiasmata. Here the spindle fibers that originate, these thread like structures we have to see here, this one, these are said to be the spindle fibers, and here that originate and cross over the homologous chromosomes are get separated. These homologous chromosomes get separated due to spindle fibers, and here the nucleolus disappear. Chromosomes enter in the cytoplasm in a spindle fiber, produce and bound the chromosomes. The spindle fiber is produced here. At the time the nucleolus get disappear and the cytoplasm enter in the cytoplasm, in a spindle fiber and produce bound the chromosomes. Here the prophase is completed. Here the prophase is completed. Next one, metaphase. Then what is metaphase? Metaphase, about we had learned. In metaphase, the chromosomes are arranged at equatorial plane as like mitosis. We had learned equatorial plane. This one is the equatorial plane, as like mitosis. Spindle fibers are present in between centrioles at the centromer. The structure of that we had seen in the metaphase, mitosis. And third one stage is a phase, is a anaphase. Third phase is a anaphase, and here the chromosomes are pulled towards the opposite pole because of spindle fiber and looks like bunch of banana. If you see here, I will show you further. Like the banana. And last one stage or next one stage is the telophase 1, and this is the fourth stage. It is said to be the reverse prophase. As like mitosis, it is also said to be the reverse prophase, and here two nucleus generated, two sets of chromosomes are produced, and spindle fiber completely disappears. The spindle fiber which are responsible for the bounding of chromosomes, they pulled towards the equatorial pole, and here after that in telophase that spindle fiber get disappear and nuclear membrane is produced around the chromosome. And by karyokinesis and cytokinesis process, we obtain two different cells here with two different nucleus. In telophase, by cytokinesis and karyokinesis, we obtain two different cells with a different nucleus, and we obtain two haploid cells from one diploid cell, and this process takes place during the gamete formation. Here given, look at here, X spindle fibers are formed in anaphase, the here bunch like, and in telophase the spindle fibers are disappear and two nucleus are generated. Here about meiosis 2. What is meiosis 2? Meiosis 2 is completed by 4 stages, that is prophase 2, metaphase 2, anaphase 2 and telophase 2. Here this is prophase 2, metaphase 2, anaphase 2 and telophase 2. These are the 4 stages of meiosis 2. In the meiosis part 1, we get two different cells, two cells of having haploid set of chromosomes. What is haploid sets of chromosome we have know, and the cell obtained by meiosis, on that two cells undergoes meiosis 2. Remember here, two cell of having haploid set of chromosomes, the cell obtained by meiosis 1, that two cells undergoes meiosis 2, and the process the prophase, when goes to the metaphase, the chromosomes are arranged in equatorial plane, nuclear membrane is disappear and spindle fiber is produced in between centromere and centrioles. And in anaphase 2, the spindle fiber pull the chromosomes towards the centrioles and looks like bunch of banana. In telophase 2, what happen here? The two sets of chromosomes when reach at the pole. In telophase, here, this one, when the two set of chromosomes when reach at the pole develop the nuclear membrane around chromosomes. The chromosomes are separated in a previous stage, and here the chromosomes which are separated, the nuclear membrane is start to develop around the chromosome, and the karyokinesis and cytokinesis process is completed, and we get two different cells. And by dividing cytoplasm, disappearing spindle fiber, we obtain two different cells, and we get 4 cells having chromosome number n, and that is haploid set of chromosome. These processes are useful in a spore formation and gamete formation, and the sexual reproduction takes place by this process. Okay friends, here we have completed our unit as well as completed our lesson. If you like the video, please subscribe, share and like. Thank you.